Oh, baby, you got what I need.
Don't ever do that again. For the rest of your life, never again, ever perform that song again.
That was God. That was God punishing you. Nope.
Hey, finish my games for me.
I'll finish your games for you. Might as well. Yes, I did.
What does that mean, man? You're right.
I did.
I'm just joking, too. Why you laughing?
I got you good, girl.
You didn't think I got that, bro.
Ah!
I gotta go edit.
You go freaking at it then. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Shut your midget ass up.
Shut your bald ass up.
Shut your pink hair ass up.
Shut your hairy ass arm ass up.
Shut your cutting shirt ass cause no shirt fits your little ass up.
Shut your too long to show your booty crack, but you have to because you got that awkward ass height ass up.
Shut your pay $200 for just white nails ass up.
Shut your pay $1,000 for no damn FIFA icon ass up.
Hey, don't do that.
Ah.
Don't do that.
Ah.
Don't do that.
Ah.
Don't take it there.
Ah.
Don't do that.
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 Ah.
Shut your I can't reach the bowl to eat cereal in the morning ass up.
Shut your makeup bowl so I can have some bites, which equals half the damn bowl ass up.
Shut your at least I can reach the milk ass up.
Shut your at least I can cook ass up.
I cooked this morning. That's a stupid comeback.
Where is this done? Right, season this because I don't know how. Where do I put Pam in here? Right, let me get the pasta strainer out to straighten the meat.
Shut your it takes me 3 hours to edit a 10-minute video ass up.
Shut your it takes me 5 days to get freaking not even top 100 ass up.
Hey, I did 28 and 2 skill rating. Shut your I can't go to the movie night because I gotta stay home and play a tournament you failed in ass up. Yeah.
Shut your I gotta open kids packs because I didn't get top 100 ass up.
Every time I've opened his packs, I don't got top 100. And he sent them to me, so I didn't open them. And I got mine first before him. Shut your ass up.
So shut your sensitive ass up.
Shut your Shut your still that 4% Adam Red Dev ass up. You been on that game for a month ass up. Shut your ass up. You don't know how to play. Get a strategy book ass up.
Shut your I can't play it because I get motion sickness ass up.
Hey, don't make fun of
Yeah.
Jesus. He made me this way.
Huh?
Look how long it takes you to play a kid's game. Shut your
At
dumb
least I
ass
can
up.
play it.
Shut your
Shut
dumb ass
your
up.
dumb ass up.
Shut your I need to buy a baby chair because the other ones are too big for me ass up.
Shut your I need to buy a big ass chair because I'm too big for my little chair ass up.
Shut your I'm gonna eat cookies and work out every morning ass up.
Shut your I'm gonna sleep in because I'm lazy ass up.
Shut your I'm asleep in because I pay the bills in this bitch. Me, this guy.
Shut your I need to flex every time we get in an argument ass up.
I didn't flex. I didn't flex. I'm gonna just say to you. Shut your Ariana Grande ass up.
Shut your egg ass Adam Sandler looking head ass up.
Shut your Ariana Grande ass haircut ass up.
Shut your DJ Khaled ass up. Shut your Fousey tube looking ass up.
Oh shit! I look like Foos too. That's crazy. Okay, alright, you went there. I'll take it there. Shut your big ass Drake eyebrows ass up.
Shut your I gotta trim my eyebrows ass up.
Alright.
Shut your blind ass up so I need to have Ray trim my beard for me ass up.
Yeah, we trim my beard in 3 months. I do it all myself all the time now. Cause you too cool.
Shut your I spit on the damn ground ass up.
I ain't got nothing else to say to you. Shut your, I gotta play right there cause Fortnite, I suck at it ass up.
Shut your, at least I could play other games.
Shut your, I don't want to. I'm going downstairs. Alright? Shut your ass up.
Shut yo, I ain't got
Let me get the last word. Let me get the last word.
Come in here and bug your ass up.
Let me get the last word. Shut your ass up.
Shut your ass up.
Hey! Let me get the last word.
No.
You shut your ass up.
Shut your ass up.
I'm winning this one.
No.
Yes?
No.
You out?
Yes.
Shut your fat ass up.
Shut your fat ass up.
No.
Shut your yeah, don't make me.
Huh?
Don't make me.
Wait,
Don't make me.
what does that mean? I don't know what you mean. What does that mean?
Shut your ass up.
What does that mean?
Shut your ass up.
I don't know what you're saying.
I don't want to say it. That's a chat.
Say it, you can say it.
No.
Yeah, you can hurt my feelings.
No.
Say it.
No.
Say
That's bad girlfriend. I can't do it.
No, come on, say it. Please trust me, I got one. It's already here, I'm waiting. I'm waiting
No,
for
I
you to say it.
can't.
I'm waiting for you to say it.
It's too real. It takes us from like here to like here.
Well, that's you can't reach here. You know what I'm saying? You can't get there.
But at least I can reach down here.
What does that mean? I can bend over.
Questionable.
What you trying to say? I can't see my johns?
You said it, not me.
I ain't got no belly. Look. There ain't no belly. Fuck you mean? I'm about to run and stream and do the Ronaldo celebration. That's what Ronaldo did when he scored. He pulled his shirt and started pulling his abs. I'm going downstairs. Shut your little ass up.
Shut your ass up.
Right. Stop.
But.
Alright. Truce. Why are you laughing? Dap it up.
Nope, dab it up.
Why?
Dab it up, brother.
Why? Dap it up. Dap it up. You're so afraid because I left you hanging the day of the story. You're so mad. What's in the story? I left you hanging? Where'd I leave you hanging?
You don't.
Where?
You never left me hanging.
Where?
You don't.
I left you hanging somewhere, and then you were so mad because I left you hanging, and you were like legit sad.
Hashtag bad boyfriend in the chat.
Great boyfriend. The best.
The best?
Stupid ass mama.
Stupid ass Lambo.
Shut your ass.
Shut your ass up.